The secret to fluffy whipped cream without heavy cream. Ever craved the light, airy goodness of whipped cream but realized you're out of heavy cream? Don't despair. We're about to unlock a culinary secret that will change your dessert game forever. Traditional whipped cream relies on the high-fat content of heavy cream. This fat traps air bubbles when whipped, creating that stable, fluffy texture we all love. But what if you don't have heavy cream on hand? Many assume heavy cream is the only way to achieve that perfect cloud of sweetness. Dietary restrictions, or simply running out of ingredients can leave you feeling defeated. But fear not, there are alternatives. The key to making whipped cream without heavy cream lies in understanding the science. We need to find a way to stabilize air bubbles and create a similar structure. This involves a bit of culinary ingenuity. Think of it like building a house. Heavy cream provides a strong foundation. Without it, we need to reinforce the structure with alternative building materials. One popular method involves using milk and gelatin. Gelatin acts as a stabilizer, helping the milk hold its airy form. It's a simple trick that yields surprisingly good results. First, bloom the gelatin in cold water. This process hydrates the gelatin granules, preparing them to work their magic. Then, heat the milk and dissolve the bloomed gelatin. Chill the mixture thoroughly. This is crucial. Cold temperatures help the gelatin set and create a more stable base for whipping. Finally, whip the chilled mixture with sugar until soft peaks form. The gelatin will help the milk trap air, creating a light and airy whipped cream. Evaporated milk, when properly chilled, can also be whipped into a surprisingly stable cream. The key is to freeze the evaporated milk until ice crystals form around the edges. This process concentrates the milk solids, making it easier to whip. Be careful not to freeze it solid. You want a slushy consistency. Whip the chilled evaporated milk with sugar until stiff peaks form. The result is a surprisingly rich and creamy whipped topping. For a dairy-free option, coconut cream is your best friend. Chill a can of full-fat coconut milk in the refrigerator overnight. This allows the cream to separate from the watery liquid. Scoop out the thick coconut cream from the top of the can, leaving the watery liquid behind. Whip the coconut cream with sugar until light and fluffy. The high-fat content of coconut cream allows it to whip up beautifully, creating a delicious and vegan-friendly whipped topping. Aquafaba, the liquid from canned chickpeas, is a surprising and versatile ingredient. It can be whipped into a meringue-like foam, making it a fantastic vegan alternative to whipped cream. Whip the aquafaba with sugar and a stabilizer like cream of tartar until stiff peaks form. The result is a light and airy vegan whipped topping that's perfect for desserts. No matter which method you choose, chilling your ingredients and equipment is crucial. Cold temperatures help stabilize the air bubbles and create a more stable whipped cream. Don't overwhip. Overwhipping can cause the mixture to separate and become grainy. Stop whipping when soft or stiff peaks form, depending on your desired consistency. Experiment with different flavors. Add vanilla extract, citrus zest, or even a pinch of salt to enhance the flavor of your whipped cream. Making whipped cream without heavy cream is not only possible, but it also opens up a world of culinary possibilities. Whether you're looking for a lighter option, have dietary restrictions, or simply ran out of heavy cream, these alternatives will save the day. So ditch the heavy cream dependency and embrace the freedom of alternative whipping methods. Your desserts and your taste buds will thank you. Ready to elevate your dessert game? Try one of these methods for making whipped cream without heavy cream and share your creations with us. Don't forget to subscribe for more culinary secrets and delicious recipes. Let us know in the comments which method worked best for you and what you paired it with.